Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want full course for any actuarial subject, visit theactuarialguy.com or WhatsApp on this number. Thank you.
Now, firstly, what is data science? Data scientists are people who use statistics and quantitative analysis to solve business problems across industries. They are not limited to one industry like insurance or finance or anything. They can be in FMCG, they can be in production, they can be in sports, gaming, whatever you name, right? Every industry has different business problems which can be solved through data driven solutions, right? So they're not limited by any industry. Now, how do you become a data scientist? There are two paths from your actuarial qualification or like some actuarial exams. Let's say you are someone with the 3 or 4 actuarial exams. You have done these initial actuarial exams, and now you think that you want to go towards data science. What are the two paths that you have, right? And these are paths that I've seen in the industry. I'll show you profiles of people who have done it so that you see like this can be done. I'm not talking out of thin air, right? I will give you examples of people who have done it, right? So the first path is this. If you want to eventually get into data science, you feel like that is something that might interest you later, right? After completing your qualification, what you can do is you can start in general insurance pricing, because I told you that's very quantitative, that's very statistical in nature. You qualify as a fellow or an associate actuary, right? Then what you do is within your company or within the insurance industry, you move towards an analytics or data science role. And then finally, once you've, gotten that data science analytics experience within insurance, then you venture outside insurance as a data scientist. So this is the sort of path. First GI pricing, then analytics data science within insurance, then you move out. These two guys have done it. I'll show you their profiles. Abhijit Pal, he is right now the deputy managing director and chief analytics officer at Munich Re. So if you see Abhijit's profile, he actually used to be an actuarial manager, then went on to this actuarial kind of a role in Munich Re, and then moved on to become the director and chief analytics officer at Munich Re itself. So he has taken that path. He's moved into data science, right? He's moved out of actuarial science in a way, right? So that is one path that you can take. Similarly, Ankush has also done this. Ankush Agarwal used to work at ACO, was an associate director actuary at ACO, went to be a partner machine learning. This is a core data science role, right? So, and then now he's again back into sort of an insurance actuarial role, but right now he's building ML capabilities in P&C insurance space. So that's a very data science thing to do, right? So again, these people started in general insurance, moved to data science, right? So that's one way to go to data science for you if you qualify and then you want to go, right? The other path is that you pass core principle exams, core principle plus plus, because some core principle exams, something more than the core principle exams, up to you. Then you get a quantitative master's degree. Now, what kind of quantitative master's degree? Can be a quantitative economics degree in India, can be a data science degree outside India, can be a statistics degree in India, right? All of these degrees work, right? And then you move to a data science roles, right? So why is this a good idea? Because once you do some of your initial actuarial exams, the master's entrance exams are a cakewalk. I cracked my quantitative economics exams studying for 15 days. Just 15 days I was able to crack it because I had already taught CS1, CS2, right? So this is a good path because you've already gotten that quantitative flavor. You already know like the theory. You just getting that master's degree is very easy to get through, right? And then after that master's degree, data science role is not difficult. I have done this, so I'll show you my profile. So again, you guys can follow me on LinkedIn, send a connection request. So I used to be, well, I was doing an actual role. I just did an internship here. I had passed the CT series or the core principles by here. Then I did my master's degree, right? So I'll show you my master's degree. That's in economics from IGIDR Mumbai, right? And then I went on to be a data science guy. I did strategy analytics, data science. I was doing management consulting analytics with PwC, right? So this path is possible as well, right? And other people have also done it. I'll show you other guys who have done it. I'll show you one more guy. This one was very interesting. I found him to be very interesting. Yeah, this guy Shikhar. So this person qualified as a fellow, right? He qualified. He was working RSA. RSA, by the way, has a very good general insurance practice, and then went to University of Chicago to do applied data science, and then moved to data science sort of roles, right? So yeah, a lot of people do this, right? So this is how you get into data science.